Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to show you how to create amazing head tracking effects using not just one, but 4 different apps: Alight Motion, CapCut, Node Video, and Tracket Motion. Each app has unique features, and in the end of the video, I'll show you all these apps' head tracking result. Let's dive in. First, let's start with Node Video. But before we start, first open your Alight Motion app and follow what I do. Export your clip. Your Node Video head tracking completed. Now let's make in Tracket App. Open Tracket App. Import your Alight Motion project here. Here you're done. Now let's move on CapCut. Export same project and follow me. In CapCut, there is no auto features of tracking, so let's do manually. you're done. Now open Alight Motion and do same step as usual. Here you're done. Here is the results of head tracking. Hope you like it. If you are new to channel, make sure to subscribe. Comments down which app is best for head tracking. If you want tutorial of Alight Motion app for head tracking, complete 500 likes on video. Note all the apps you can access from my Telegram channel link in description. Until then, take care.